Hello students, welcome to the GK class of 4th standard. Today I am going to teach you lesson 19 musical instruments. The main objective is to learn about different musical instruments in Africa. Let us start with our topic. The first musical instrument is tama. It is the most popular instrument in West Africa, also called the talking drum. The tama is an hourglass shaped talking drum that is some of the oldest instrument used by West African griots, and it produces sound griots. An African tribal storyteller and musician is called a griot. They were the full-time musicians who used to travel from village to village singing for traders or merchants in West Africa. The griot's role was to preserve the oral traditions of the tribe. They were usually among the oldest men in a tribe. Djembe. It is the West African drum shaped like a large goblet and played with bare hands. In Bambara language, J is the verb for gather and B translates as peace. The djembe can produce a wide variety of sounds, making it the most versatile drum, and it produces sound kara. It is the long-necked African harp with many strings, often used to accompany songs of worship. It is a string instrument used extensively in West Africa. A kora typically has 21 strings which are played by plucking with the fingers, and it produces sound ambera. It is the thumb piano in which the thumbs play a series of wooden or metal tongue. It consists of a wooden board with attached metal tines played by holding the instrument in the hands and plucking the tines with the thumbs, the right forefinger in most ambera and sometimes the left forefinger, and it produces sound balafon. It is the West African xylophone with bars made from logs or bamboo. A balafon can be either fixed key or free key. In some cultures, the balafon was a sacred instrument playable only by trained religious caste members and only at ritual events such as festivals, royal or marriage celebrations. And it produces sound So, students, today I have discussed different musical instruments of Africa. Kindly go through the topic which I have taught you today and attempt these questions and solve page 29 of your GK book that has been sent in your SNAP homework. Thank you.